How to remove image background in Canva without Pro features. So launch Canva, go to Canva, and then once you're on Canva, if you have an account, log into your account. So once you have launched Canva, you're in Canva. So simply create a design. So I'm going to just click on create a design and then just choose any custom one. That's fine. So I'm going to do that. So let's click new design, and then click on create a design, and then choose any type of design that you want to, like the size. So for example, I will just choose a phone wallpaper. So anything, just do. You can also put a custom size, that's fine. So anything. So we just need a blank paper, so blank pad here. So this is my project here. So now on the left side here, scroll down, click on apps, and then under apps, search for background eraser. So type in background. Okay, when you type in background, you will see this background eraser popping up. So select background eraser, and then choose the first one. So that's the one we're going to use, background eraser. Select it. Okay, and then here click on choose file and choose the file that you want to remove the background for. So for example, let me choose a photo. So I'll just choose this. I'll use this photo here to remove the background, and then tap on remove background. So when you tap on remove background, the Canva will do the job and it will remove the background for you. And then once that's done, you can simply like share it or download the picture for you, and there you go. The background has now been removed. You can now resize it and edit it further if you want to, and then hit on share to save it. And that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.